So there is something new on this award achievement. Why does it? Wait, what? Oh well. Anyways, so we have a way to set extra data on every block, not as a tile entity, but as an extra block attached there. For example, on vanilla, you can have a snow layer block with dead bush or grass inside of it. I will show you. So if the client walks around, I will just set this level set. This is a very common way to debug things for me. I just set things where the player walks. And yes, the player is a vector. So we are setting the main block to, let's do it with snow. This works on other builds, but no, it works on multiplayer because it was not serialized before. And I also added some extra stuff, so you can actually render a lot of those blocks. Yeah, let's do snow layer. I'm going to show you how it works first, and then the other stuff. Direct through, files, don't update. And then we set the data. Set extra data add. Whoa, what? This is also saved. Mine not on the current build. I don't know why, but that will be fixed later. We can't actually fix it. This is a bit buggy, so not all the things might work, but I'm going to set it to a dead boss. So that should work. Yeah. Let's test it. I will post a picture. Oh wait, let's see first. Let's remove that. Oh, I commit that. Amend. I have impulse, so I can amend things. No, but don't do this live. Oh yeah, it's happening. Let's see. I think I can get the screenshot this way. There we go. So now if I open it here, screenshots, maybe pictures, yeah, last one, yeah. So bear with me, I'm going to create a new window capture, yeah. Oh, it's red. Oh well. Okay, so there you can see what I just did. As you can see, there are can do it here. There is a snow block, and then there is the extra data for the boss setting there. So the interesting part is that this works on the Wheels 3 on single player, now it works on multiplayer, and the server can also send other blocks, and the client will try to render them. Sometimes it fails horribly, and sometimes it works. So a lot of stuff can be done. Let me close this. So for example, what if, let's go back, instead of a snow layer, what can we do there? We can do a fence. So the data set, and let's start it. Yes, it seems like it works. So I will take a picture of this. Wait, I think I can do this. Yeah. Then we have this. So we have the same thing, but inside of a fence post. The fence post renders correctly. Let's try doing it inverted. So we render first the grass and then the post. I have not tried that. We might crash here.
That's funny.
Yeah, it's interesting. So what if we do the path and then fence? Will I crash? It loads. Oh, but it doesn't render the fence. Well, let's try other things. So what works is that we can have things inside of water. It doesn't work that well right now. I might fix it later, not on PocketMine but on MCP. But you can already see how it works. So you could have things like algae or whatever. Water. Wait, we can have water lily inside of water. Oh, I will do something later. Yeah, let's run that. Yeah, this is partially broken. I have to do some stuff. Alright. Wait for it. It's hard to take a picture of this because I have to move. Oh, there. Let's see. There. Now let's see. Oh, I'm dying. Wait. There. Now we have that. Second. Oh! It continues there. So we have all the grass inside of water. If there is something inside of water, the water no renders as solid. I will try to fix that later. I mean, this was working like 10 minutes before we released the build, and then we found a bug, so we had to fix that. Let's see, next. Let's try to do random stuff with it. So what if we have a water lily and then that inside? Will that work? Custom render is like a Syriac now. Syriac, oh. Let's not go there. So this actual... Alright. As you can see, some things are a bit broken. This is not the most broken thing ever. Let's show it. There. As you can see, the water lily renders partially black. It doesn't render the alpha layer. I think it's... In fact, I don't know why that happens. Everything else renders. What if we do it the other way? This is so fun to experiment with. Now I can... well, my phone, it's not my phone, it's a Nexus. It's a prototype. Maybe, I don't know. What if I do that? This actually works. So I will post a picture with the two of them for comparison. Oh, that's nice. Let's see. That's before, this is now. I like how it looks. Let's try to make it crash. Also, you don't need to take picture of that if you want to show it on Twitter. Well, if you want, but I'm going to post this later on YouTube. So what if we do this with tall grass? I think I created a new decoration. Let's see. Let's change this first. There. There we go. This might even look great on water. I don't know. And the block itself. Can I target the block? Oh yeah. If I break it, everything breaks. Not that it crashes, but it breaks both of them. Breaking this kind of block has not been implemented on PocketMine, so if you place something else there, it will pop in, but I will implement that later. What else? Let's see. Yes, PocketMine 1.6 will support Windows 10 edition. Not the version that is currently right now, but the next one that will be released later. So here comes the interesting part. We can render two blocks that have like the same cross. For example, tall grass and the dead boss, and they will collide. And that makes a funny thing. It's not a funny, you don't see it live, because it flickers back and forth. Oh whoa, that's even more broken than I expected. Well, it's flickering for me, like textures are fighting. Did I remove it? Oh no, I did not remove it at all. Well, I just flipped things, so you can see it there. As you can see, things get more broken. Let's try to render. I think we can render. We have a slab.
It's a good way to find bugs.
It's not a bug, it's a feature, you will say. It's something that you are not intended to do. What if we do this? Oh, Anvil. The Anvil on phones is not working. Something happens when you test on the computer while you are developing. Everything works and as soon as you publish and send the APK to the phone, it stops working. We do the same steps, but on the computer it works, and on the phone it fails. We are still looking into that. Let's run it. This is interesting. Yeah. Let's see. There we go. We have slabs with things in them. Oh, whoa, something really strange happened here. Let me see. Oh, there we go. As you can see, I'm just walking around and putting everything. Oh, and everything gets saved now. Okay. That's interesting. It did not work before.
So they had to add it because of the snow, right?
Yeah, they added this because of the snow. And at first it was a special case only for the snow, so you want to, for the render, you had like normal render and then if block equals no layer. And I did not like that, so I just created a method that tells if the block can be rendered with extra data inside, and made that non-solid blocks can have extra data inside. That, for example, breaks some blocks if you have extra data. For example, if you have glass, this music with something inside. Let's see. Oh no, I started a world. Oh, it's crashed. Oh no, it did not. Trying to connect. Oh well. We'll have to look into that. Alright, oh, here we go. So let's jump a bit. I'm trying to get inside of blocks. Did it. Okay, let's see. Yeah, PocketMine will add commands for whatever you want. Can I break this? Can. Oh, sneak it. Almost had it. Glass is interesting because I have to get inside of it. I think I could just replace the method, but... Oh. This is working now. Oh, there we go. So, let's take a picture. Right now, I'm inside of a glass block. The glass renders black from outside, so you can't see the insides, but if you go inside you see that the block is there. But something that I have not tried is to swap everything. So let's have glass. Let's make plastic cane. And then the first outside. Will that work? This actually works, and you can go through it. so you can have glass and go through it. Oh, this is nice. Let's see. There we go. Let's see. So if we swap everything, it works. 1 second. There we go. Oh, this is nice. At least it doesn't crash, which is nice. If you have questions, I will just run a question and answer part at the end of the stream. But right now, let's experiment new stuff. This is what I wanted to show you, that you can do random stuff. I'm sure that people will find new ways to use this feature. I think mods will be able to do a lot of stuff with this. Or maybe not, who knows. But yeah, it's working. Let's do one last test. Let's see. What kind of things would you like to see inside of a block? Like non-solid blocks, things that are transparent or partial blocks. What do you want to see inside of one of those blocks? I just choose block inside and the block outside, and I will try to execute it so you can see it. Just type it in the chat. It needs to be a block. Because I can't think of something to end this, so let's choose the best one from the chat. Let's try. What interesting block do we have? Glowstone will work, but that is, you won't see it. Beacons? No, we don't have beacons. Chests are a tile entity. Beacons again. How many screens do you have? Right now only one, but I will have 3 soon. Torch inside of grass. Torch is interesting because it did not render before for me. Let's...
Flowers.
Now let's go with flower and a torch. So I know that torch and flower will work, but I'm going to try with like flower and then torch to see if it renders on the second one. If not, I will just try the first one. Right, they have. Let's see if that works. I keep opening the console when I can just render it. I do it here. It does not. So let's just flip it. That should work. It does. Sorry, you can't join this server right now. You might be able to do that other days because this is on my internal network. I'm testing it really fast. But later when I develop other things, I will just open a server on the internet so you can join it, and I will just push things every 10 minutes or so. But as I'm just testing a lot of stuff here, it will be way slower if I do that. Let's see. So this is how it looks. 1 second. Oh, there. The flower renders a bit offset because it's a bit random, but still you can have 2 things on the same place. One thing that I have not tested is rendering a solid block inside of a transparent block. So let's try to render bedrock. Oh, it doesn't work. It doesn't. Interesting. This will work. Well, let's make that a feature. Anyway, let's remove that screen. Let's remove this code. Soul, sand and grass. No, that won't work. Oh well, wait. Soul sand is transparent. Well, it's... let's just test it. Soul sand and grass. Let's try it. I think the block is only a bit offset, it's not transparent. Maybe it is. It's not. Alright, yeah, that doesn't work.